How to pay Cash Express using cash. Cash Express is a financial service provider that offers short-term loans like payday and title loans, along with services such as check cashing, money transfers, and bill payments. They help people without needing a traditional bank account. First, download Gcash application from Google Play Store or App Store. Then log into your account. Open Gcash app on your phone, on Home page, and choose Bills. On this page, choose Loans. Then choose Dragon Loans here. Then fill out the following payment details. Reference number, your Cash Express payment reference number, contact number, your mobile number with Cash Express, amount, payment amount, your email, check the box, and then click Next. Then click on Confirm. That's it. Thanks for watching.